how to add a link to a page on Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a link to a page on your Wix website. So let's get started. Sometimes we have different pages on our website and we want to add a link to another page on our website. So how to do that? For that, you guys will click on add elements, and now what you can do is you can click on embed code and it will allow you to add an HTML custom element and embed a site. So I'm going to click on embed HTML. So it will be added right here. You can of course, place it on a blank section. So it will open it up for you where you can add any code. So you can see if you want to go with code or if you want to go with the website address. So we can just now enter any website address right here to any of the page on Google, on any of our browser. So you just get the page URL and you can just add it right here. So this is the easiest way to add an HTML to your website, and it will be shown like this. Other than that, what you can do is you can go to the menu and pages section here and you will be able to find all of the pages. So let's say that I want to add a link to my home page. So I'm going to click on these three dots and then I can find these options such as settings, we have social share, then we have others. I can do is I can go to the social share and it will allow me to add links to other pages too. So then I can just add it right here. This is the way we do it. We can also make a page, a sub page of the main page right here. You can just drag it and drop it underneath it and it will be a sub page. So this is another way to add a page as a sub page to your site menu. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.